on each of his rose bushes. He's got a rose bush with 24 roses on it. Oh my goodness. Although I think I have one like that right now. It's a very small rose bush, very small roses. Anyway, so the box plot shows the number of roses. Hi, Jade. Andy counted on each of his rose bushes. So take a look at that box plot. Jack, were you able to figure out what slide we're on? Should be the next question. Talks about Andy's roses. Okay, good. So, A, B, C, D, what percentage of Andy's rose bushes have between 11 and 18 roses? What percentage of Andy's rose bushes have between 11 and 18 roses? Hi, Sadine. So what percentage have between 11 and 18 roses? I've got 5 people who have answered, and I'll be looking for 11 people to answer. So look at the box plot. Look at where 11 and 18 are placed. So those are the median and the third quartile. So what percentage of Andy's rose bushes have between 11 and 18 roses? Remember that the median, you could call that the halfway mark. Okay, so I'm waiting for answers. And remember, you do have the option of I don't know or I'm still thinking. But I'd like to have an answer from Charles, Desiree, Imogen, Jade if you can. I know you just got here. Sadine. So remember, it may help to remember that we call some of these things quartiles, right? Quartile 1, quartile 3, and think about what a quartile means, right? A quartile is a fourth. So perhaps remembering that quartile refers to fourths will help you to decide what percentage is between 11 and 18. Just going to give you a few more seconds to think about that and give me an answer. If I could get an answer from Charles, Jade, and Sadine. Well, Sadine, I know you have some connection issues there. So just between 11 and 18. Okay, I'm going to give some of you a hint. I have a lot of people answering B. B is incorrect. 50% of the bushes would be like between quartile 1 and quartile 3. That would be 50%. 50% could be from the median to the maximum or from the median to the minimum. But just between the median, which another way, remember, of saying the median is quartile 2 or median, right? Just from the median to quartile 3 would not beat 50%. So those of you who have answered B, I'd like you to rethink that. Another thing that you can do is remember that if we just look at these marks, right, the minimum, the maximum, the median, and the quartiles, what we're looking at is we're looking at the data set being divided into fourths, right? First fourth, that's why that's called the first quartile. Second fourth, third fourth, fourth fourth. Perhaps that'll help you figure out what percentage is between 11 and 18. What percentage is between the median and the third quartile? Okay, so some of my B's have gone from the dark side to the light side. That's good. So the correct answer is A, 25%. Because between 11 and 18, this is all of the third quartile, and a quartile is a fourth, so 25%. Okay, now I still have a couple people who still have B marked. Looks like my E person figured it out, so that's good. If you have any questions or need any help with it, let me know. Going once. Talk to me in the chat.